Hey, so here's MoneyGram app. It's one of the top apps to do money transfers, and you can see it's in the top charts in finance category and stuff. So yeah, to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and then you just need to use Touch ID or password on iOS. Um, yeah, and the size is like 83 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage. But I guess it's not a problem. And yeah, so you can send like internationally and within the US. So send money to over 200 countries and territories. You can earn discounts and all of that. So let's just try to open the app together. Then you can allow notifications, and then yeah, which country you want to send money to, for example. So for example, if I want to send like $100, and then I just have these different payment method options. I have receive method, and then I can see when money is available. I can see the fees and the total cost, which is basically my money I send plus fees. And then yeah, I need to create a profile. So obviously you can't send money until you create a profile. So okay, that's just an overview. I will create another video about account creation and all of that, just to have a better overview. Do they require some kind of verification where you need to upload your passport or something like that? I just don't know that, but anyways, that's just how you install the app and super quick preview. Hope that was helpful. Please like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit my website mrhack.io.